Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Steam tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to stop Steam from opening on startup. This is actually quite simple. First I open Steam and find myself on my start page. From here I click on Steam at the top left and go to Settings. Here I switch to the Interface tab and find the right setting here. Run Steam when my computer starts. If I click on the slider, the automatic startup of Steam is already deactivated. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.